Hello Bachchu, let's do question number 5 now. And what is the question number 5? Question number 5 is saying that in a class test, Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Okay, marks in two subjects has been given, and if she has got more marks in mathematics, 2 more marks in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find the marks in two subjects. Okay, it's very simple. If we take that the marks in maths is x, then definitely the marks in English will be 30 minus x, because only two subject has been given. It's very simple that total marks of first subject plus second subject is equal to 30. If we know the marks of first subject, we can get the marks of second subject by subtracting the marks of first subject, and same we are doing here. And we have considered the marks in maths is x, so the marks in English will be total marks minus marks in x, marks in maths, okay, not marks in x. So this is the a supposition how we can suppose. And now let us move towards the condition. If had she got two more marks in maths, okay, two more marks, how I'll write two more marks in maths? I'll write x plus 2. Okay, and 3 marks less in English, and how I'll write 3 marks less in English? This is the marks of English, and 3 marks less means to subtract 3, and product of these two is equal to 210. Very simple. Okay, that means had she scored 2 more marks, that means plus 2, and 3 less, that means minus 3, and product of these two is equal to 210. Now we have to just solve these. Let us solve this. So x into 30 minus 3 will be 27. So 27 minus x plus 2 into 27 minus x is equal to 210. Okay, now just further simplify this. You'll get 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x is equal to 210. Okay, now take all these terms to that side and it will get what? This minus will change into plus x square. Okay, minus 27x plus 2x. Okay, and it will be minus 2x 27. Okay, this is plus 54, so it will change into minus 54, and plus 210 is equal to 0. This is already positive. Okay, don't change the sign here now. And further you'll get x square minus 25x, okay, and plus, let me see, 156, okay, which is equal to 0. Now we have to find, you can do you can also use the quadratic formula here, but maximum time where splitting can be done, I use the factorization method by splitting the middle term, so because it's time saving and less calculations are needed. So 156, now 2 8s are 16 and 2 8s are 16, again 2 4s are again 4 and 11, and again 11. So I'm getting 2 2s are 4, 4s are 16, and when I'll 16 plus 11, 210 minus 54, 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay, 210 minus 54, 10 minus 4 6, and 10 minus 5 5, and 156. 2 sorry, I have done wrong here. 2 7s are 14 and 2 8s are 16, again 2 3s are 6 and 2 9s are 18, and again 3 13. Okay, here it will be 13. Sometimes in excitements we do wrong. Okay, now let us, 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12 and 13. Now you can see that 12 and 13 could be 25, and 12 into 13 could be 156. So I'll write x square minus write down this here, 13x minus 12x plus 156 is equal to 0. And when I take this x common, I am left with x minus 13 minus 12 into x minus 13, which is equal to 0. And now x minus 12 and x minus 13. Now I am getting 2 marks here. That means so x is equal to 12 and x is equal to 13. So I am getting 2 results here. So there will be 2 different marks and 2 different results if marks in maths, I'll take 12. Then marks in English, marks in English will be what? 30 minus 12, which will be equal to 18. And if marks in maths is 13, then marks in English would be what? 30 minus 13, which is equal to 17. Okay, in this way we have solved the question. It's very simple. You can also solve this by quadratic formula, but whatever you find easy, solve it by that method. Okay, it's not necessary that I have solved this by this method and you have to. Most important is how you get this equation. That is most important thing. Okay.